Mastering Respect: 8 Psychological Tricks to Command Respect Now. In today's video, we're delving into psychology to uncover 8 powerful tricks to help you command respect immediately. Whether you're navigating the professional world, social situations, or personal relationships, these psychological strategies are designed to enhance your presence and earn the respect you deserve. Let's dive in. Confidence is key. The first psychological trick to command respect is to exude confidence. Confidence is magnetic and signals to others that you are self-assured and capable. Stand tall, maintain good posture, and make eye contact. Confidence isn't about being arrogant. It's about believing in your abilities and expressing that belief through your demeanor. When you carry yourself confidently, others are more likely to view you as a competent and trustworthy individual, paving the way for respect to follow. Active listening. One of the most underrated tricks for earning respect is mastering the art of active listening. When you genuinely listen to others, you respect their thoughts and opinions. Avoid interrupting, maintain eye contact, and nod in acknowledgement to signal your engagement. People appreciate being heard, and by actively listening, you gain valuable insights and create a positive impression that fosters mutual respect in any interaction. Assertive communication. Assertive communication is another powerful tool for commanding respect. Speak, express your thoughts directly, and use a confident tone. Avoid being overly passive or aggressive. Instead, find the assertive middle ground that communicates your ideas while respecting the perspectives of others. Assertiveness demonstrates confidence and self-assurance, making it more likely for others to respect your opinions and decisions. Display competence. People naturally respect those who demonstrate competence in their field. Continuously develop your skills, stay informed, and showcase your expertise. In a professional setting or personal interactions, displaying competence establishes you as someone worthy of respect. Strive for excellence in your endeavors, and let your actions speak volumes about your capabilities. Competence is a universal language of respect. Nonverbal cues. Nonverbal cues play a significant role in how others perceive and respect you. Pay attention to your facial expressions, gestures, and body language. A genuine smile, a firm handshake, and open body language can convey warmth and approachability, fostering an immediate sense of respect. Be mindful of how your nonverbal cues align with your verbal communication to ensure a consistent and respectful image. Set boundaries. Setting boundaries is a crucial psychological trick for earning respect. Clearly define your personal and professional boundaries and communicate them assertively. Respecting your boundaries sends a signal to others that you value yourself, and in turn, they are likely to follow suit. Boundaries contribute to a healthy and balanced dynamic in relationships, earning you the respect of those around you. Empathy and understanding. Empathy is a powerful tool for building respect. Seek to understand others' perspectives, acknowledge their feelings, and show genuine compassion. When people feel seen and understood, they are more likely to reciprocate with respect. Cultivating empathy creates a positive and inclusive environment where respect can flourish, strengthening interpersonal connections. Lead by example. The final psychological trick to command respect is to lead by example. Demonstrate the qualities and behaviors you expect from others. Whether in a leadership role or within your social circle, being a role model establishes you as someone worthy of admiration and respect. When you consistently embody the values you uphold, others are more likely to follow suit, creating a culture of respect around you. Commanding respect is a nuanced skill that involves a combination of psychological strategies and genuine interpersonal skills. By incorporating these 8 psychological tricks, exuding confidence, active listening, assertive communication, displaying competence, nonverbal cues, setting boundaries, empathy, and leading by example, you can navigate various situations with poise and earn the respect you deserve. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments below.